非常可观的一些资本的操作的嘉宾。那么后续的
Now, the last 5-year plan, this 5-year plan focuses a lot on innovation and commercialization.
5年计划和之后的5年计划非常强调创新。
There was a spike of the VC, but the corporates doubled that spike in terms of percentage, and that was dangerous. So I hope that
这个因为它太多不确定了，失败的几率更高。但是在不确定的环境之下，你只能这么想，对不对呀？你只能这么想啊，这是必须的一个事情。
The guiding principle of a decision is, first of all, not making mistakes, because if they waste $100 million of the government's money, which means your money, right? Every person's money, then this is, I'll come back to this lady's comment, it might actually jeopardize their positions. Okay.
Well, so in terms of Bertelsmann, I think because we have a totally different nature in business, and in the long run, a lot of things are changing on the media side. So very unlike system companies, we are content companies. So we have to be local enough and flexible enough. So in the long run, we believe.
I think it's absolutely true. We do a little bit of both, right? I would say the majority of our stuff is really kind of more complementary investing in the sense that we're helping to build the ecosystem for our products that are going to be released to the market. But we also do deals that we call eyes and ears, and these are just interesting companies and trends that we see out there that may or may not have anything to do with our business down the road, but it's something that we need to keep an eye on. My objective, the way I'm rewarded, is based on the financial performance. The way I stay in business and keep the lights on is I have to keep my corporate overlords happy, which means that I have to make sure that our corporate business units find relevance in what we do. And so there's always that fine balance there that you have to kind of play.
Wayne?
Yeah, definitely for corporate VC, they have a very powerful background in terms of technology. So for the technology-related early-stage companies, in terms of the product development, channel, marketing, all the solution, I think corporate VC should be able to provide much more value add than the financial VCs.
这个的话呢，就是应该在哪个环节？它应该在第一个环节，在第二个环节，在第二个环节。
我觉得从 CVC 的话，你可以。
这个形式一种革命性的。那么我们这个因为一个技术高科技产品推广起来比较难，我们用了10年的时间。
Unit is offering CCTV camera metric.
长在北京，吃在北京，睡在北京，一直到22岁，然后22岁以后呢，就有一个机会到了。
为例子，因为我有我的司机，我希望他们贡献一些他们的想法，让我们能够做得更好。这就是我们现在在建立的一个团队。那我们这个团队最主要的一个使命就是寻找到我们和。
See how the innovation center of this particular case can that actually can be tricky.
Which is a venture capital database with investments and exits. It's all also in here in English.
大潮流之下，怎么去琢磨有关人民币基金的这种东西。那这里面我想上面有2个企业集团嘛，这里讲的都是中国公司啦，当然那个企业集团也可以像。
See in China. I think the main impression I've taken away is just how knowledgeable, how keen the Chinese companies are for corporate venturing here. There's been more than 100 corporations which have turned up, which have been involved, and their sort of knowledge or understanding of open innovation and corporate venturing is far more sophisticated than I was expecting.
For us as Evonik, as we are just setting up this, there's a great value in seeing how the industry works here in Asia, especially in China, and to see what other people are doing. So a great value is really to have the network with all the people we met. We already arranged a couple of follow-on conversations, so this will be great and will help us tremendously in order to set up our operation here in China.
Now an opportunity to reflect on the insights from the Corporate Venture Capital workshop that's occurred over the last couple of days. I think we certainly see that corporate venture capital has got the potential to be more developed than that, and China could take advantage of its insights on new technologies and new business models which are developing in China and in the markets across Asia. The venture capital markets in China are still booming with IPOs and trade sales are much less frequent. The participants in the program, though, felt that within the next 5 years trade sales and moving to more technology orientated developments and investments will be something that will be coming around.